Paano ba natin i-compute yung ating retirement fund? Ito yung formula. Desired annual income, divide it by the dividend yield or interest, and that is your capitalization. Let's say, for example, 40,000 pesos yung gusto mo every single month. So yung desired annual income natin is 480,000 pesos. To be conservative, yung dividend or interest na binibigay ng mga investments like REITs, dividend stocks, Pag-ibig MP2, time deposits, digital bank, sabihin na lang natin nasa 5%. Yan kasi yung style ko guys when it comes to forecasting. I'm really conservative. Just in case na mas malaki yung kikitain natin, good, the better. At least we are conservative, we are preparing for the worst. If you want to earn 480,000 pesos every single year, you would need to have a capital requirement of 9.6 million.
Ang laki naman yan, sir.
Don't worry, because when you start early, you can maximize the power of compounding. Yung pera na kinita mo sa dividends, huwag mo munang gamitin, especially if you are starting out. Wealth building ka pa kasi. Ang gagawin natin yan is lahat ng kinikita ng investments mo, ibalik mo sa investments. Para you will own more shares, you will get more dividends, you will make more money in the future.